Welcome to the Panasonic booth here at SMT Hybrid Packaging in Nuremberg. Delighted to be joined by Harry, the guy. He's the director of the Panasonic Factory Solutions here.
Thank you. Yep. Yeah. Nice to see you again here.
Yes,
Trevor.
of course.
Yep. Yep.
So the last time we spoke, Harry, was at Productronica last year, where you were introducing your INLB Factory Solutions software.
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah. Now this interfaced with, I think, with your Panasim or your other things that you had. Can you tell us some of the more recent developments you've had with INLB?
Yeah. INLB is now getting more popular in the world, and now on top, what we have developed and we are developing is toward more like connections and having the capability to optimize the entire line as well as the optimize entire factory process. Right. This is what we are heading toward. So INLB is the solution to connecting and to manage all the data and bring it up to the MES system which customer has. Okay. And the new solutions, which is the MFO or MLO, those are the solutions to optimize. Not just to talking to the MES system, but they're giving us the solutions. This is the optimization you should follow. This is the output from the new software system which we developed.
Oh, I see. So INLB does the connection and does all the information, but then the MLO actually does the calculation to advise what is the best way to.
You're right. So INLB is a tool to collect the information, but then say how we want to handle this information, data, and then MLO or MFO is the material or tool to manage or to utilize those data which are being collected by the INLB.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay. And third-party machines or partners, they can plug into this?
Yeah. It's the same concept as INLB we have. Yeah.
Okay. Another announcement that came out yesterday at the show was from the Japanese Robotics Association, JARA. They brought out their own standard for machine-to-machine communication.
Yep, it is.
Tell me a little bit about that and how it interfaces with the Panasonic systems.
Okay. This Panasonic system, this new protocol standard is initiated by the mostly Japanese manufacturers, such as Panasonic. And Panasonic is one of the major stakeholders for this the new standard. And so anyone who follows this new standard, the connection can be very easy. Very easy. So therefore, if you have Panasonic and if you have somebody else in the line, then if both follows this same standard, then this can be easily connected.
So it handles the packets of information going down the line from machine to machine.
Yes.
What else does it do? I believe it has some other features where you can use it for to help for fast changeover.
Fast changeover, indeed. So this is more or less like the functions INLB has. But this INLB is a part of the solution, and this the new standard protocol which initiated by JARA is the to make this kind of solutions more popular to the market. So this will help the customers to make a choice which supplier to be in line, and as far as those suppliers complies this the protocol standard, then this line management can be easily done.
Right.
Yeah, including the changeover.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. That's interesting. So this is obviously the first version of it. Is this something that you're going to develop even further going forward?
Further going forward, but at this point of time, this is the very first step, and the members of this new standard participated, keep talking about what will be the next we need to develop.
Okay, excellent. So, turning our attention back to the Panasonic in the booth here this week, what have we got that's new?
Okay, we've got the new one, which is the laser marking system. Developed by Panasonic, and this is manufactured in Singapore, actually, our Singapore factory. Okay. And this gives you the automation of putting the levels for the barcode, for example. Or this is the barcode can be written by the laser. Yeah. And this can be this laser marker is a part of this INLB. So therefore, this machine can be easily talking to the other machines, such as printing machines or SMT machines. And of course, that would be best if a customer has a Panasonic screen printer or Panasonic chip placement machine. It makes everything easier. But even if a customer has something else, printer or chip placement machines coming from somebody else, but as far as those suppliers follow this new standard JARA, then this connection is also very easy. Right. Yep. Right. So laser marking system can contribute to the customers from automation point of view. So at this moment, a lot of customers putting the levels by manual, but this is the totally automation. Yep. So this will contribute the traceability without any fail.
So does it scribe the barcode onto the underside of the board or the top side?
Either way. The both ways is fine. Right. Yeah, and even on the component itself. Okay. Yep. Okay,
excellent. So and then that obviously carries through as part of the process. It's a unique identifier throughout while it goes along the system. Yeah, great. Good. Excellent. So you also have some microelectronic materials, I see, products on the booth. That's the first time I've seen that.
We have displayed the two of the equipment from microelectronics point of view. The one is the flip chip bonder, and the other one is a plasma cleaner. The plasma cleaner works for the cleaning the surface of a wafer or PC board to make the component placement or the bonding smoother. So without any dust or Well, actually,
it gives better surface adhesion by making it a little bit rougher the surface, so that things stick to. But in assembly terms, it's getting used more and more for before you conformally coat, so that the coating sticks better.
Yes, that's right. So this by cleaning the wafers or surface of wafers or like a PC board by plasma technology. This makes the easier to get the better printing result. Also, the better component placement ratio. Because the surface going to be very smooth.
Very smooth. Great. Well, Harry, it's always great to catch up with you. Thank you very much for giving us an update on your software solutions and, of course, the latest equipment.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.